Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now we've got our 2020 Jeep Wrangler Willys behind me, and the owner of this really wanted to add some protection when getting in and out of the vehicle. Now here in the Northeast, we had a very rough winter, and for many of you in the country, it was also a rough winter, and you know getting in and out of the Jeep is going to scuff that entrance up. Now what we've got in front of me is that Rugged Ridge entrance sill guard, and this is a kit of 4 that's going to fit either your Jeep Wrangler JL or your Jeep Gladiator. Now what's really nice about these is they are a super durable rubber-like material. It's almost the same as a very thick floor mat. And behind it, they simply attach using 3M adhesive. This comes in a kit of 4, so it's going to do all 4 doors for you. And there is also a kit available for the 2-door. Now what's nice about this is it actually goes up on that top lip, and it gives you more protection than a lot of the other ones I've seen. This actually goes all the way up front to that fender mounting bolt that's all the way up at the front of your Jeep, and gives you a nice location in order to know exactly where to mount it. Now with this said, we are going to get these installed today. The only tool you're going to need is a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, which you probably have in your bathroom from using it in a first aid kit. We're going to get them cleaned up, get these installed, show you how they look. Now here we're just going to use a little bit of this 70% isopropyl alcohol, put it onto a clean rag, and then we're just going to wipe down the area. This will make sure we get good adhesion on here. And we're going to do this in all 4 corners. But we'll let it sit for about 90 seconds, and then we can go ahead and install our door sill guards. So all we have to do now is pull back on the red backing on the adhesive strips here. Sometimes it can fight you a little bit. They normally fight me the most when I'm on camera. We're just going to go ahead and pull these all 3. There's just 3 strips. 1, 2. And the 3rd one up here. Then we can go ahead and get this installed. This is our passenger side, and we can tell because that little kind of protrusion there goes over the bolt. So go ahead and get this lined up here. And just go ahead and get it all the way on. Give it a good push all the way around. Just to make sure they're properly seated. And that's going to be it for the install. We're going to repeat the exact same process on the other 3, but overall they look really clean and it's super simple to do. Well guys, after about 10 minutes, we've got these Rugged Ridge all-terrain door sills installed on our 2020 Jeep Wrangler Willys. And what I really like about these is that not only do they include more 3M adhesive to get it attached to the Jeep securely, but it also goes up nicely on the border, and you can't really notice the difference between the inside door trim flowing outside to that all-terrain door sill. They come in a set of 4 for this kit, and you can also get them for the 2-door, but this kit will work with your Gladiator as well. All you need is a little bit of isopropyl alcohol just to clean it up and make sure it sticks well, and these things are going to be lasting a very long time. Now for less than $50 for the set, it is a cheap insurance to keep that inside of your door sill looking great no matter how tough you are on them, in the mud, in the dirt, or even in the snow like we are here in central Pennsylvania. If you want to check these out, as well as many other great Rugged Ridge parts, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com.